Dear students, now we are going to discuss mutations. So what is a mutation? Change in genes, gene sequence, or nucleotide sequence in the genetic material of an organism. That is either DNA molecule or RNA molecule. Change in the gene or alteration of genes. Genes in the genetic material of that organism. That may be DNA molecule or RNA molecule. Okay, so the change is a sudden change, sudden heritable change. Sudden inheritable or heritable? Inheritable or heritable? Sudden inheritable or heritable change in the genotype of organism. Sudden heritable change genotype of organism. That is all of a sudden and heritable, that will be transferred from generation to generation in the genotype of organism. So first of all, the change is in the case of a genotype of organism. And that leads to change in phenotype. And first of all, who identified mutations? Mutations were first identified by or discovered by Hugo de Vries. And he studied natural mutations, natural mutant varieties. Nature is able to generate natural mutants. Mutant means organism or variety, a variant. Variety produced by means of mutations. Natural mutants in a plant, that is Oenothera lamarckiana. Common name, evening prime rose. So in that, he identified two mutant varieties. One is Oenothera nanella and Oenothera gigas. Small, large size plants. Dwarf, tall plant. These two are the best examples for natural mutants. So many are there. Bhaskara banana variety, novel orange variety. So many examples are there. Okay. Okay. So that is about contribution of Hugo de Vries and the book written by Hugo de Vries. Hugo de Vries wrote a book that was entitled with dye mutation theory. Dye mutation theory. Reason, most of the mutations are harmful to the organism, lethal to the organism. Dye mutation theory. Okay, so dye mutation theory. So here, so-called variations, genetic recombinations, takes place by means of two things. One is during sexual reproduction. During sexual reproduction. That is by means of meiosis and syngamy, gametic fusion. Okay, so variations by means of reproduction leads to continuous. That is because of continuous variations or not? Continuous variations. Continuously possible in a species. Continuous variations. And the second one, mutations, rare. Okay, they are very rare, rarely happen. So that's why they are called as discontinuous variations. So both are responsible for variations in organism. Now, leave sexual reproduction concerned one. We are aware of that one. Now go for mutations. Okay, so on the base of origin, what about types of mutations on the base of origin? Origin-based mutations. Origin. Origin-based mutations. What about the origin? Origin means natural or induced. There are two kinds. One is spontaneous. Means natural. By means of natural factors. Not induced. Natural mutations. Natural mutations. Okay, so mutations by means of natural factors naturally happened. Examples, you can write so many examples for this one. Enothera, Nanella, and Zygas. Next, Bhaskara. Bhaskara banana variety. Next, GEB 24 rice variant. Novel orange also. Okay, so like that, a certain number of examples. Next one, second one, induced, man-made, artificial, man-made mutations. We are inducing with the help of some factors. We will see what are those factors. Induced mutations. Okay, they are man-made. Human-made also. Human-made, woman-made also. Man-made with mutagens. Mutagens. We'll see what are the mutagens. 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 What is a mutagen? Mutagen. A factor able to cause mutation. Able to cause mutation. So we are using inducer mutations in the case of crop impairment, plant breeding. So used in crop improvement, plant breeding, animal breeding also, crop improvement, plant breeding to produce a hybrid varieties. Okay, so here best example out of our textbook. So many are there. Here I'm giving mung bean. Go back to strategies for enhancement in food production. Mung bean. Mung bean resistant to yellow mosaic virus and a powdery mildew disease. So that's about types of mutations. So here, what are the factors required? Substances which are able to induce mutations are called as mutagens. Now, what are the types of mutagens? Mutagens. Factors which are able to induce mutations used in crop improvement. What are they? One, physical mutagens. What are the examples? X-rays, beta rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays. Second one, chemical mutagens. Okay, examples, chemicals, particularly according to our textbook NCERT, colchicine, alkaloid, that is an alkaloid. Colchicine, alkaloid, Liliaceae family members, Colchicum autumnale, Colchicum autumnale, colchicine. Next, malic hydrazide. Hydrazide. Next, ethidium. Ethidium bromide. Like that, so many examples are there. Okay, right? So that is about mutagens. Now, types of mutations. Mutations in the genetic material. Okay. So mutation is also called as aberration, abnormality, aberrations. So we classified mutations in genetic material into two categories. One is chromosomal. Chromosomal mutations are aberrations or abnormalities. Chromosomal aberrations. And the second one, gene mutations or point mutations. Two categories. And subtypes are there. We'll see what are they one by one. So now first type, chromosomal aberrations, abnormalities in chromosomes. Okay. So what are the types present in chromosomal aberrations? First one, first type, genomic change, genomic mutations. Genomic mutation means change in the number of haploid sets or change in the number of chromosomes. Genomic mutations. So first one here I'm taking, first one, change in the number of haploid sets. Haploid set means genome, change in the number of genomes. What are they? First one, euploids, euploidy. Eu means true. They are true polyploids. True polyploids. What are they? First one, triploids. The triploid is well known to you. Triploid, 3N, having 3 haploid sets. Generally, organisms with the odd number of genomes are generally sterile, sexually impotent. Reason, odd number of genomes, no compatibility. Triploid, tetraploid or ploidy, 4N. Yes, it is fertile, able to perform sexual reproduction. And continue it, pentaploid. N. This is also sterile. Hexaploid, hexaploids. Hexa, even number. 6N. Fertile, able to perform sexual reproduction. That is euploid. And the second one, aneuploidy. Aneuploids or ploidy, aneuploids. Hetero polyploids, heteropolyploids. What is heteropolyploid? This one is change in the number of haploid set. What about this one? This one, change in chromosome number. Change in chromosome number. What are they? Monosomes, monosomic. Examples. Monosomy. Monosomic means 2N minus 1 chromosome. For example, our diploid chromosome number is 23 pairs or 46. 46 minus 1. So 1 chromosome less, monosomy. Nullisomy. Nullisomic means 2N minus 2. Minus 2 chromosomes. 46 minus 2. Trisome. Trisome means 2n plus 1 added, opposite to this one. One chromosome added. Tetrazomics or tetrazomic. 2n plus 2 chromosomes additional. Okay, so this one involves change in number of haploid sets or change in the number of chromosomes. Okay. Next, second type. Second one, structural changes in chromosome. Structural changes. So many are there. What are they one by one? First one, deletion. Means loss. Deletion means loss. For example, this is a one chromosome, for example, having T, A, G, C, and so on, for example. Some part is deleted. Okay, so deleted. After deletion, now it is with, for example, only G and C. Some part is deleted. Now, what about the number of genes? Reduced. Chromosome length, reduced. Okay, so that is a deletion means that involves loss of some segment of the chromosome. Generally, they happen during DNA replication, particularly. Next. Addition involves, addition means gain, addition or addition and duplication or doubling. Addition and doubling. So this is gain. The gain. So in that case, gain, for example, this is the chromosome. A, T, G, C. Okay, so some segment coming from some other chromosome, either homologous or heterologous. So add it to this one. What about the length of the chromosome? Number of nucleotides, genes, increased or not? Next, doubling. What is doubling? For example, A, T, G, for example, only. Doubled, replicated, added at the end, or maybe intermediate, interstitial also. A, T. So this is a addition, doubling type. And so many types are there: deletion, addition, substitution, like that. So many examples are there: substitution, frame shift. We'll see what are. All those are not required. They are enough. Okay. So these are chromosomal aberrations, abnormalities in chromosomes. So chromosomal aberrations or abnormalities completed. Next one. Gene mutation. This is very, very important. Gene mutations. Okay, so here also deletion, addition, inversion, so many are there. But here I'm taking one example, that is only one kind, that is a substitution. Substitution, this is also called as replacement. replacement. Substitution or replacement. For this one, the best example is sickle cell anemia. Okay, erythrocytes are generally round in shape, generally, or oval in shape, but subjected to change in morphology, sickle-like. So what about that so-called mutation substitution? First take normal DNA. Already we discussed this one, normal DNA in the human being. That normal DNA with CTC GAG at one particular location. Okay, so this one is a coding strand. This one is a this one is a template. This one is a template. This one is a coding strand. Okay, so subjected to transcription. Now, what about the mRNA? This is mRNA molecule with C means G, A, G, GAG. Already we discussed 3, 5, 5, 3. So this one 5, 3. This is mRNA molecule. Okay, so this one codes for incorporation of glutamic acid in hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is with that is actually tetramer made up of 4 polypeptide chains. 4 polypeptide chains. 2 alpha chains, 2 beta chains. In the beta chain, at the 6th position, the amino acid is in the normal condition. 6th position amino acid is glutamic acid. Like that, many amino acids are present. Look into genetics part of zoology. In the case of zoology, glutamic acid. So this is normal one. And what about after mutation? Mutant mutation in DNA. What about the change? 5 G as this is also as this coding strand. Next 3 C as this 5. Okay, so take A and T. Here A coding strand with A in between these two, and the T is in between these two. Change it. T here. T here. A here. Substitution or not? Or replacement. So come back. A is replaced by T. T replaced by A or not? So this is also one type of inversion, inverted, upside down. Inverted or not? So initially it is like this. Inversion. We can take inversion also, inverted, upside down. So you can take inversion also. Inversion type of mutation. Right? So now transcription. Template strand. mRNA molecule 5. Here is a GAG. Here is a G as it is. No change. Instead of A, here it is A. Here U G GAG. This is mRNA molecule. Now replacing glutamic acid. Replace the glutamic acid by valine. This is acidic amino acid. This is neutral amino acid. Okay, right? So it involves change in the case of DNA molecule. In DNA, here I'm writing. In DNA molecule, change in one base pair. One base pair or not? One base pair. What is that change in one base pair? A, T, changed into TA. 1 BP or not? So change in one base pair is also called as a point mutation. Point mutation. Okay, so that results in the case of mRNA molecule, DNA complete, in mRNA. What is the change? Change in one nucleotide. Change in one nucleotide. Change in one nucleotide. What is that change in one nucleotide? Go back. GAG. Here it is a. But here, U. Okay. It is not a base pair. Don't take base pair, but two nucleotides. So overall change in one nucleotide not. Instead of A, U incorporated. Here it is a one nucleotide. And this point mutation, gene mutation, involves change in frame shift. This is one frame or not? This is one frame. Go back to Ram has red cap. One frame or not? One frame means reading frame. Changed into GUG. GAG to GUG. So this is a reading frame here. Reading frame. So it involves change in one reading frame. It depends. If one nucleotide is subjected to change, it results in change in, for example, that is replaced by other one. So change is possible in that case only. Go back to mutations, what we studied under molecular basis of inheritance. If 1 or 2 or 3 nucleotides are changed from point of change, definitely there will be a change in the frames. For example, 1 triplet codon or 2 triplet codons or 3 triplet codons. Codons removed, 1 or 2 or 3. There is no change in the reading frame, but there will be a change in the number of kinds of triplet codons. Results in change in addition or deletion of a certain number of amino acids according to how many triplet codons removed or added. Right? So this is about a gene mutation or point mutation. This is also called as a frame shift mutation. Right? So these are various types of mutations. Now, what about significance of mutations? Mutations are used in crop improvement or animal breeding, particularly in the case of plants, to produce hybrid varieties. It is a quickest method, fast, and high rate of genetic variability is possible. We can change entire genetic material also, more than 50%. More than 50% possible here. In this case, under normal sexual reproduction, 0 to 50% only. But here, 0 to 100% possible. By inducing, we are changing. Human being is involved to change. So 100% possible in this case. But that is very dangerous to the organism. So quickest method, fastest method, high rate of genetic variability possible by means of this one. And we are able to create a new gene in the genetic material of concerned species in which that gene is not existing. We can create a new gene by means of this one. But most of the mutations are harmful, lethal, causing death of the organism. Okay, so what are the examples for mutant varieties in the case of plant? Remember mung bean. Mung bean produced by means of mutation breeding. Okay, right? So that's about mutations.